Prepare to be mesmerized as we enter Most Beautiful Birds in the World Part 9, where the ordinary fades and the extraordinary comes to life in vibrant feathers, graceful movements, and captivating stories. Imagine catching a glimpse of the Philippine Eagle, a towering symbol of strength and mystery, reigning over dense jungles. Now, picture the radiant Mrs. Gould's Sunbird, a flash of ruby red and golden yellow, flitting like a flame through emerald foliage, as if carrying the warmth of 1,000 sunsets in its wings. So, don't just watch. Immerse yourself, subscribe, and let's uncover the secrets of these stunning creatures together. And tell us, what hidden marvel would you like to explore next? Let your curiosity soar with us. Philippine Eagle. The Philippine Eagle is a majestic emblem of strength and beauty, a true king of the skies with an aura as powerful as the ancient forests it inhabits. Known as the king of the birds, this critically endangered species is one of the largest and rarest eagles in the world, standing at about 1 meter tall with a wingspan that can exceed 2 meters. Its striking appearance, featuring a massive arched beak and a crown of long brown feathers that fan out around its head, gives it an almost regal appearance, embodying the spirit of the wilderness. With its piercing blue-gray eyes and powerful build, the Philippine Eagle is not only a symbol of strength, but also one of nature's most beautiful creations. Native exclusively to the Philippines, this eagle resides in the country's remaining tropical rainforests, primarily on the islands of Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. The Philippine eagle is a powerful predator, feeding mainly on mammals such as monkeys, flying lemurs, and squirrels, as well as other birds and reptiles. Its hunting prowess and agility allow it to navigate dense forests with ease, using its sharp talons and keen eyesight to catch prey with deadly precision. When it comes to nesting, the Philippine eagle is highly selective, often building its nest high in the tallest trees, around 30 meters above the ground. The nest, constructed with sticks and lined with leaves, provides a safe haven for its young. Philippine eagles are known for their strong pair bonds, and both parents are deeply involved in raising their single chick, with breeding pairs producing only one offspring every 2 years. This slow reproductive rate makes their conservation especially urgent, as each eagle's survival is crucial for the species. The Philippine eagle is not only a marvel of the avian world, but also a symbol of pride and resilience for the Philippines. Its rare beauty and unparalleled strength make it a national treasure, embodying both the wild grandeur of its island home and the urgent need for conservation. Lesser Yellownape. The lesser Yellownape is a small but dazzling woodpecker, a burst of green and gold that lights up the forests of Asia. Its vibrant yellow nape, after which it is named, contrasts beautifully with the mossy green of its back and wings, while its head is capped with a warm, russet-brown crown, giving it a unique and striking appearance. Measuring about 25 centimeters in length, this bird's bold colors and elegant posture make it a true gem of the woodlands, and it is often regarded as one of the most beautiful woodpeckers in the world. Native to the subtropical and tropical forests of South and Southeast Asia, including parts of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar, the lesser yellownape inhabits dense forests where tall trees provide ample foraging grounds. This woodpecker is an insectivore, using its sharp beak to tap and drill into tree bark to extract ants, beetles, and larvae hidden beneath. With its keen sense of hearing, it detects the faintest sounds of movement inside tree trunks, allowing it to locate food with remarkable precision. When it comes to nesting, The lesser yellownape is skilled at creating secure, elevated nests. It chisels out small cavities in tree trunks, usually high above the ground, where it lays its eggs. Both the male and female take turns excavating and preparing the nest, which provides a safe space for their young, sheltered from ground predators. These nesting sites are reused over the years, giving future generations of lesser yellownapes a head start in the same territories. The lesser yellownape's beauty lies not only in its radiant colors, but also in its harmonious relationship with the forest. Its vivid plumage and rhythmic tapping bring life to the quiet woods, embodying both grace and resilience. This combination of elegance, skill, and ecological importance makes the lesser yellownape one of nature's most captivating and beautiful birds. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is a shimmering jewel of the avian world, known for its iridescent feathers and extraordinary agility. With colors that can range from vibrant greens and blues to deep reds and purples, these tiny birds appear almost magical as they flit among flowers. The hummingbird's unique ability to hover in mid-air, thanks to its rapid wing beats, which can reach up to 80 beats per second, gives it an ethereal, otherworldly presence. Weighing less than a nickel and measuring between 7 and 13 centimeters in length, this miniature marvel of nature is celebrated as one of the most beautiful birds on the planet. Hummingbirds are native to the Americas, with the majority of species concentrated in South America, though some are found as far north as Alaska and as far south as Chile. Known for their high metabolism, these birds primarily feed on nectar, sipping from tubular flowers and pollinating as they go. They also consume small insects and spiders to supplement their diet, providing essential protein. Their long, slender bills and specialized tongues allow them to reach deep into flowers, extracting nectar with precision. When it comes to nesting, the female hummingbird constructs a delicate, cup-shaped nest out of plant fibers, spider silk, and lichen, often placing it on a thin branch or in the fork of a tree. The nest, which is just a few centimeters in diameter, expands as the young grow, thanks to the elasticity of spider silk. Typically, the female lays 2 tiny eggs, and she alone takes on the responsibility of incubating them and caring for the chicks. The hummingbird's stunning beauty lies not only in its vibrant colors and dazzling iridescence, but also in its resilience, strength, and agility. Its ability to hover and fly backward, combined with its jewel-like appearance, makes it one of the most enchanting and admired birds in the world. Black-naped monarch. The black-naped monarch is a true vision of elegance, a bird that enchants with its soft powder blue feathers and graceful movements. Males are adorned with a distinct black band, or nape, at the back of the head, which adds to their striking appearance and gives them an almost regal look. With their large, expressive eyes and sleek, streamlined bodies, black-naped monarchs bring a touch of beauty and serenity to the dense forests they inhabit. These birds are relatively small, measuring around 16 centimeters in length, but their radiant blue color makes them unforgettable. Native to South and Southeast Asia, including countries like India, Thailand, and the Philippines, the black-naped monarch thrives in tropical and subtropical forests. It is often found in the understory, where its soft calls and graceful movements make it a charming presence among the trees. As an insectivore, this monarch feeds primarily on small insects and spiders, catching its prey in mid-air or plucking it from leaves and branches with agile precision. The black-naped monarch's nesting habits are equally enchanting. The female constructs a small, cup-shaped nest from soft plant fibers, moss, and spider silk, meticulously weaving it into the fork of a tree branch. Both parents are involved in caring for the young, sharing the duties of feeding and guarding the nest. This shared parenting enhances the bond between the pair, making them attentive and dedicated caregivers. What makes the black-naped monarch particularly captivating is its combination of delicate beauty and liveliness. Its radiant blue plumage and gentle presence create a sense of calm and wonder, embodying the grace of the natural world. Mrs. Gould's Sunbird. The Mrs. Gould's Sunbird is a dazzling wonder of the avian world, cloaked in brilliant colors that seem almost surreal. Males are a vibrant spectacle, with iridescent plumage that shines in hues of crimson, violet, and gold, contrasted by flashes of metallic green on their heads and throats. Females, while more subdued in their olive-green tones, are equally enchanting in their own gentle way. Named after the British artist Elizabeth Gould, who illustrated her husband's ornithological works, Mrs. Gould's Sunbird is a living piece of art, small yet breathtakingly beautiful, measuring only around 10 to 12 centimeters in length. This striking sunbird is native to the mountainous regions of South and Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like India, Nepal, and Thailand, where it frequents tropical and subtropical forests. As a nectarivore, Mrs. Gould's Sunbird relies on the nectar of flowering plants, often hovering like a hummingbird as it feeds. Its long, curved bill is perfectly adapted for reaching deep into flowers, and while nectar is its primary diet, it will also consume small insects, which provide essential protein, especially during breeding season. In terms of nesting, the female is the primary architect, constructing a delicate purse-shaped nest from fine grasses, plant fibers, and spider silk. The nest is usually suspended from a branch, providing both concealment and safety from ground-based predators. The female lays 2 or 3 eggs, which she incubates while the male helps protect the nesting area, ensuring the safety of their young. Mrs. Gould's Sunbird stands out as one of the most beautiful birds, not only for its dazzling colors, but also for its lively, spirited presence. Its radiant plumage catches the light like jewels in the treetops, embodying the beauty and vibrancy of the tropical forests it calls home. Harpy Eagle. The Harpy Eagle is a magnificent predator and a symbol of power in the avian world, often referred to as the Queen of the Rainforest. With its impressive size, striking black and white plumage, and a distinctive feathered crest that frames its fierce, intelligent gaze, the Harpy Eagle is a sight to behold. Measuring up to 1 meter in height, with a wingspan of over 2 meters, this eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey on Earth. Its appearance is both regal and intimidating, embodying the spirit of the dense tropical forests it calls home. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, from Mexico to Brazil, the Harpy Eagle is adapted to life in dense lowland forests. Its diet is a testament to its incredible strength. It primarily preys on medium-sized mammals like sloths and monkeys, which it captures with its massive talons, the largest among any eagle species. These powerful talons allow it to snatch prey from the treetops with impressive agility and precision. The Harpy Eagle's nesting habits are equally remarkable. They build their large nests high in the canopy, usually 25 to 50 meters above the ground in the forks of towering trees. These nests, constructed from sticks and lined with soft leaves, are massive structures, sometimes used for multiple breeding seasons. Harpy eagles are known for their slow reproductive rate, laying only 1 or 2 eggs every 2 to 3 years. Both parents are deeply invested in raising their young, with the male providing food while the female guards and nurtures the chick. The Harpy Eagle's beauty lies in its fierce strength, noble appearance, and the awe-inspiring presence it commands. This eagle is not only a marvel of nature, but also a crucial symbol of the rainforests it inhabits, embodying both the mystery and majesty of these ancient habitats. Crested Treeswift. The crested treeswift is a delicate marvel of the skies, with its slender silhouette, elegant crest, and iridescent plumage that shimmers in shades of blue, gray, and white. Known for its graceful, effortless flight, this bird is a symbol of aerial beauty, often gliding through the treetops with an effortless elegance that captivates all who see it. With a length of around 20 centimeters, including its distinctive long-tail streamers, the crested treeswift is both dainty and striking, earning admiration for its refined appearance. Native to Southeast Asia and parts of India, the crested treeswift inhabits open woodlands, forest edges, and even urban areas where tall trees provide an ideal environment for nesting and foraging. Unlike true swifts, which are almost constantly in flight, the crested treeswift spends considerable time perched on branches, often high above the ground. Its diet consists mainly of small insects, which it catches mid-flight in agile, acrobatic swoops. This feeding style highlights its aerial prowess, as it can deftly maneuver through the air with remarkable speed and precision. The nesting habits of the crested treeswift are as unique as its appearance. Unlike many other birds, it builds a small, shallow nest directly on a branch, using feathers and plant material glued together with saliva to form a tiny platform. The female typically lays a single egg, which is carefully incubated by both parents. Remarkably, one parent will sit on the nest while the other goes in search of food, and they switch roles with incredible synchronization, ensuring the safety and warmth of their single offspring. The beauty of the crested treeswift lies not only in its sleek appearance, but also in its remarkable adaptability and aerial grace. Its distinctive crest, streamlined body, and fluid movements set it apart as one of the most elegant birds of the treetops. Eurasian Coot. The Eurasian Coot is a striking waterbird with its distinctive black plumage and stark white beak and forehead shield, creating a bold contrast that makes it stand out on the calm waters it inhabits. Often spotted gliding smoothly across lakes, ponds, and slow-moving rivers, the Eurasian Coot possesses a unique charm with its rounded body, red eyes, and a subtle shimmer on its dark feathers. Measuring around 36 to 38 centimeters in length, it is a compact bird with an unmistakable presence in both appearance and behavior, known for its lively personality and resilience in various wetland habitats. Native to a wide range stretching across Europe, Asia, and North Africa, the Eurasian Coot thrives in freshwater environments, from urban ponds to remote marshes. It has a diverse diet, feeding on aquatic plants, small invertebrates, and even the occasional fish. This omnivorous diet allows the Eurasian Coot to adapt easily to its environment, diving underwater to forage or grazing near the shore. The nesting habits of the Eurasian Coot are a fascinating part of its lifestyle. During breeding season, both male and female coots build a floating nest made of reeds and other plant materials anchored to vegetation or the shoreline. These nests are often hidden among reeds to protect them from predators. The female typically lays a clutch of 6 to 10 eggs, and both parents share the duties of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks, demonstrating strong parental teamwork. While the Eurasian Coot may not possess the vivid colors of tropical birds, its charm lies in its distinct bold appearance and adaptability. Its monochromatic elegance, combined with its lively nature and impressive resilience, makes it one of the most intriguing and beloved water birds. White-rumped Shama. The white-rumped Shama is a songbird of remarkable beauty and charm, known for its melodic song and striking appearance. With a sleek, glossy black head, chestnut-colored underparts, and a distinct white patch on its rump, this bird is a blend of elegance and vibrance. Its long, graceful tail feathers add to its allure as it flits through the forest, and its haunting, flute-like calls make it a favorite among birdwatchers and nature lovers. Measuring around 23 to 28 centimeters in length, the White-rumped Shama is as admired for its appearance as for its enchanting song. Native to the dense forests of South and Southeast Asia, including countries like India, Thailand, and the Philippines, the White-rumped Shama thrives in tropical environments with plenty of cover. This bird's diet primarily consists of insects and small invertebrates, which it hunts skillfully on the forest floor or among low branches, demonstrating agility and precision as it feeds. The nesting habits of the White-rumped Shama reveal its resourcefulness. During the breeding season, pairs build their nests in tree cavities or dense shrubbery, providing safety and camouflage. They construct their nests with grass, leaves, and roots, forming a secure structure to house their young. The female typically lays 3 to 5 eggs, and both parents participate in feeding and protecting their chicks until they are ready to fend for themselves. The White-rumped Shama is celebrated not only for its beauty, but also for its captivating song, which has made it a symbol of natural music in its native habitats. Its combination of aesthetic grace and vocal talent makes it one of the most beautiful birds in the forest, a true delight for the senses. The White-rumped Shama's presence in the wild is a testament to the wonder of the natural world, embodying the elegance and charm of Southeast Asia's forests. Prinia inornata. The plain Prinia may appear modest at first glance, but its subtle beauty and lively nature make it a captivating presence in the grasslands and fields of Asia. Known for its petite size, slender build, and soft, earthy tones, this bird embodies simplicity with grace. Its plumage, in shades of brown and gray with a faint white eyebrow stripe and delicate feather markings, allows it to blend seamlessly into its natural surroundings. Measuring only 13 to 14 centimeters in length, the plain Prinia is a master of camouflage and elegance in minimalism, revealing the understated beauty of the natural world. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the plain Prinia thrives in open fields, scrublands, and marshes, often found flitting through tall grasses or perched on low shrubs. Its diet is primarily insectivorous, feeding on small insects, caterpillars, and spiders. With its nimble movements and agile flight, the plain Prinia hunts skillfully among the grass and foliage, making it a beneficial presence for controlling insect populations in its habitat. The nesting habits of the plain Prinia are as meticulous as they are fascinating. During breeding season, this bird constructs a small, cup-shaped nest close to the ground, often woven into the stems of tall grass or other dense vegetation. The nest is made from fine grasses, spider silk, and soft fibers, providing a safe, hidden space for the young. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 4 eggs, and both parents share the responsibility of feeding and protecting their chicks, nurturing them until they are ready to venture out on their own. While the plain Prinia may not boast bright colors or grand size, its beauty lies in its adaptability, resilience, and the quiet elegance it brings to the landscapes it inhabits. Every bird we've encountered today represents more than just beauty. It's a testament to the resilience, diversity, and wonder that our planet holds. The mighty Harpy Eagle, the dazzling Mrs. Gould's Sunbird, and the sweet melody of the White-rumped Shama all serve as reminders that we live in a world teeming with extraordinary life. In each flutter, chirp, and flight, these birds teach us something valuable. That happiness often lies in noticing the incredible world around us, in cherishing its simplicity and its magnificence. As we wrap up this adventure, let's carry this message with us. By connecting with nature, we reconnect with a deeper sense of joy, peace, and fulfillment. If this exploration has inspired you, please subscribe and follow us for more breathtaking journeys. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What bird or nature moment has left the greatest impression on you? Let's continue to appreciate and protect the beauty that surrounds us.